Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to talk about two applications or two third-party apps that I can teach you guys so you can try. They're technically keywords search tools for SEO or for your YouTube optimization, especially to gain more subscribers, likes, audiences, of course. More audiences means more viewers. More viewers means more watch time, and of course, more watch time means more ads. And finally, more ads on YouTube means more money, right? Who doesn't like that? And then welcome to the video. And by the way, before we get started here, this is a pretty much not complicated. I'm not gonna say complicated. It's a very step-by-step procedure. So please make sure launch up your old handy-dandy notepad right here. If you can't find your notepad, just type on the search bar of your PC, notepad, click on enter. You'll have your notepad right there. If you really can't find it, just get a piece of paper, a pen, even a pencil would do just to write down notes, okay? Just follow through accordingly so you won't have any problem when you try this on your own. So let's get started. The first application should be vidIQ. I think I have a video about this before regarding video generation, but this time we're going to use it for keywords. This is a AI generated tool. Since ChatGPT came out, we all know that the AI industry became a trend. So without further ado, this is keyword search tool. Let's try it out, okay? So as you can see here, I don't have any keywords yet. This is very new. And what I love about this vidIQ is you can link your YouTube account here. You can also download the extension. However, just gonna stay on the application itself, okay? So let's just search for keywords. Let's just chat GPT right here. Click on enter. And as you can see here, the ChatGPT keyword, or ChatGPT precisely, has a 58 overall medium score. Now, what does it mean? This means that this is a very, or medium, I'm not gonna say very, it's not top actually, it's a very medium keyword search tool, or keyword to be specific. That means it has a 58 overall score. What does it mean? Let's just hover this one right here. It means that the overall score is determined to help gauge how effective this keyword will be in your video optimization efforts. So technically, if you use ChatGPT, you're just getting the 58 overall medium score. That means you're not getting the top keyword search tool. Let me just give you an idea how it looks like, okay? So for example, right here, this is the YouTube video, right? Let's just say video editing right here. Click on it. As you can see here, the top videos are the most requested videos right here. Now, which are the top videos? These are ads actually. Let's just go past them. So this guy right here is actually one of the top keywords users out there. Now, if you want your video to be on the top search results, make sure your keyword is up to date. Make sure your keywords is the best. And how can we do that? With using this keywords tool, okay? So that being said, let's explore this a little bit more. So this is the overview, the score. Related keywords, of course, what is ChatGPT with an overall rating of 43? This is actually mid also. ChatGPT explained, this is 37. Now, what I love about this one is it will show you the competition. Let me just go back right there. I just click this view all three courses right here. Now, if I click on that one, it will show the competition. So I have, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually columns right there. Let's just focus on the competition, okay? Competition score is a measure of how many videos are competing for these keywords in YouTube search results. That means that there are high 67.3, 61.6 or high competition regarding this specific topic. What I mean is that a lot of people are using these keywords to be specific on their titles, which means that you'll have high competition. You'll have a lot of people doing the same thing, having the same title, so your video won't be viewed that much. What we can do about here is we need to beat this competition. How can we do that? Please check my video. I have a video about how to beat competition regarding keywords. And by the way, let's just go back over here in the overview. You can click on matching terms right now. As you can see here, there are keywords provided matching terms right there. You can also use this tree right here if you don't want to use the one over there, because the one right here on the bottom, the related keywords, aren't that much of a competition. They're just medium. Rather than the one on top, they're high. These are the medium over here. You can try it out. Now, questions. Questions here are the same as matching terms in a sense, but in this one, they're just in a way of asking questions. For example, how to use ChatGPT, how ChatGPT will change the world, etc., etc. Okay, so this is one of the applications that I can endorse to you guys. Try it out. This is actually for free, but if you want to improve your SEO more, you can upgrade to Pro. Now let's check out the pricing, okay? The pricing for this one is one-on-one coaching is $100 per month. That is actually quite expensive. Now for Pro, it's only $10 per month and $50 per month for the boost. What are the differences? Of course, the first one is you have a one-on-one coach. You'll be focused. You'll be really focused on whatever you need to do. There is a question and answer. It's really fast. There's a specific coach for you. On the boost, it's just like it's the same as coaching one-on-one with the difference there you don't have a coach. Rather than having a coach, it's pretty much the same. Now for the 10, this is actually just giving your vidIQ keyword app the whole package without a coach at all. Okay? So let me just go here on my other website because I'm gonna show you guys this one. I love it so much. We call it TubeBuddy. It's just an extension. Now let's just explore the pricing before we get into it, okay? So the pricing for this one is for Pro, Legend, and Enterprise. Pro is $3.6 per month. It's not really expensive. Legend is around $23.20. And the difference is access to search optimization features. That is the best one. You can also get a lot from there. However, in Legend, all featured in Pro plus access to all 50 plus tools and features, unlimited search rank, tracking, video, AB, and so on and so forth. Now, if you're starting, this Pro is good enough for you. Actually, up until now, on my main account, I have this Pro right here. Okay? Now, what is this TubeBuddy? It's actually an extension that you can install on this website right here. Please go here, install free now. It's an extension. Now, what does it do? It's the same as vidIQ earlier, with the difference of this is being an extension. So let's try it out. For example, I'm gonna click on video editing right here, and then I'm gonna click on this icon over here. This is the TubeBuddy. Click on it. Now it has the exact tools that vidIQ gives, but a little bit more specific, more accurate. Let's go to tools right here. For this one, you have Keyword Explorer. You launch Keyword Explorer now. Click on it. Now from this one, let's try ChatGPT, okay? Click on Explorer. You'll have the overall score as I mentioned earlier on vidIQ. This is actually poor. Try clicking on keyword in the related panel to find a better score. Now interest over time, this is only 30 days. If you choose this tile, your video will be only interesting for 30 days, okay? So score analysis, search volume, this is actually good. Computation is not weighted. General score for how good this keyword is, it's actually poor. It's not that really good. You don't have any competition with this one, which is, in a way, there's a silver lining with it being a good tile. There is no competition. However, again, it's not a good tile. So optimization strength, this is actually good. That this number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. So this is actually optimized in a way, but not that popular. That's why it's very poor right here. Now let's try another option right here. Messages right there. This is your updates from the TubeBuddy itself, industry news and milestones. Okay. Now let's just pay attention on the right side right here. As you can see here, there is Keyword Explorer, SEO, Video Topic Planner, Tag List. Now let's try Keyword Explorer right there. It's the same as earlier. Try SEO Studio over here. Now this is one of my favorite. Enter your target keyword. For example, beat the perfect searchable title, description, and tags for your video. Let's just chat GPT. Click on Start. This is a pro license feature. Okay, unlock the SEO Studio and more with an upgrade. So I want to show you the pricing range for this one now. It's the one earlier. It's the $3.6 per month. So with this only, you can use the SEO Studio. Easy as that. Okay, let me just check my recording right here. Make sure everything is good. Now let's try one more. Tag list. Click this one, ChatGPT, and this is also for free actually. This list is empty, add tag and above. Okay, just create a list right here, and this is actually helpful for your SEO or your video to be optimized. Anyway, I think that's it. Please try it out. You can try the pro version even on the vidIQ. It's only cheap, the $4 or $10, I'm sorry. Try it out so you can get the most feature available for them. Okay? So thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.